Okay, I'm gonna have to start another video on didnt because don't know, my last one got copyrighted. Because apparently, the song, in the level was copyrighted, and, I have no idea why, but they decided to come for 16 sub 10-year-old kid instead of someone, you know, a little bit more popular, the YouTube channel. But, I'm just gonna, I turned off the song so you can't hear it. But, just gonna have to do this again, okay? Because for some reason, some doofus decided he was gonna copyright some 16 sub 10-year-old kid on the internet with a cat PFP. I don't know why, but they just decided to. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just if you don't know, Beep Beep, he got copyrighted. Apparently Merp is a thing on YouTube. Let's see if this is, if then, what the heck is Merp? Swear, is this the guy who copyrighted me? Probably not. Okay, but on behalf of fools, okay, let's search up this guy. Let's see which one of these doofuses copyright claimed me. Oh, okay, so it was this guy. Why did he go for me? Why did he go for me? I don't know. But I'm just gonna subscribe to him just because I want to. Yeah, he copyright claimed me. Do you have rights to this content? Yeah, I have rights. Let's replace the song. That should be fun. Let's go. What the heck? Okay. Discard changes. I'm just gonna mute the song. Since, okay, so, let's just mute that. Yeah, so, whoever the heck this kid is who decided to copyright me, well, you could go, you know, not copyright me, because you are mean. Also, how did you decide to copyright me when it doesn't even say you have viewed this video? Did you, like... Anyway, they got hacked. Yes, he definitely did that. Views 4 less than usual. Come on. So, I have no idea why he decided to copyright me. instead of, you know, somebody bigger, someone bigger. You know, like, you know, this guy who actually has the full song in it and everything in it. But, you know, I'm just not gonna question it. So, bye.